Hey, hi, this is Rohan here, and today we are going to dive into how to do a better customer service because I encounter many people, and the way they treat you is very bad, and not how humans should behave. Humans should have empathy, a listening ear, and yes, and attitude. For example, if you're calling someone a customer service, there's a problem, and no matter how outrageous or how silly or how unlikely the problem sounds, there is a problem, and you can dismiss it because you might think he or she is lying, or you can try to understand the deeper reasons, investigate, and maybe there might be two things. Maybe they are not able to articulate the real problem and you have to dive into that, or maybe that is a real hyperbolic problem which you have not encountered before, and they are giving it to you. So you need to have empathy and willingness and trust. Maybe some few of the people will break the trust, but you'll gain the trust of so many people, and that's how a customer service people should be. But unfortunately, many people don't care. They are forced into customer service. Big corporations don't care because if you leave their service, you can't go anywhere because they are a monopoly, because they're competitors and they are go hand in hand. They have a price sharing agreement and so on and so forth. And the small businesses don't give that kind of service, or maybe you don't want to get in the hassle of dealing with the small uh, people's business because there is so uncertainty. And maybe the future, a better future for humans would be, for everything there are multiple options like studios. For example, if you want to have the internet service, there are not three players ruling the country or the world. There are many small internet players who are ruling the every area, so that there is no monopoly and they have their own distinct flavor and you can switch easily, and therefore they care about you, or at least they pretend to. And that's a rant, that's a riff. But if you're on the other hand, if you're doing customer service, or if you have a company and if you want to improve, there is a chance. Whenever someone calls, they're angry, they're disturbed, they are in pain, and you have an opportunity to regain them because they are your best advertising ever. You don't have to pay them, they are paying you. But if you delight them at the customer service, they will share their experience, because most of the customer service experience is bad. So they will share it, and you'll get word of mouth. And trust me, word of mouth spreads more faster and you get more customers out of it. So that's it. So I hope things change. People listen, people have empathy, people have trust, people care, people listen, and people genuinely try and not laugh it off. Okay, that's it for today. See you guys, and hope to see a better tomorrow for every one of us, because we're all connected, and that's how we should feel when someone reaches out for help. Okay, see you.